Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bevel in Blockbench. Beveling is used to soften sharp edges and make models look more polished. In Blockbench, beveled or rounded edges are created by manipulating vertices rather than using a dedicated bevel tool. You can do this by adding geometry with loop cuts, adjusting vertices manually, or using primitive shapes like cylinders and spheres to form curved surfaces. How smooth the bevel looks depends on how many vertices you use. Keep in mind that you can't create perfectly smooth circles in Blockbench since it's designed for low poly models. First, make sure your model is using a mesh that supports editing. If you want a naturally round shape, start by adding a cylinder. The maximum number of sides for a cylinder is 48, which gives you the smoothest result available. If you're using a cuboid mesh instead, select a face or edge and add loop cuts. Add multiple loop cuts, then select and adjust the vertices until the shape looks round enough. And that's how to bevel in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.